Thank you, Senator. Your Excellency.
President William Ruto has just chaired Kenya Kwanza Parliamentary Group meeting in State House ahead of the resumption of House business this afternoon. I'll now invite the Honorable Kimani Ichung'wah, the Majority Leader of the National Assembly, to address you.
The decisions that we arrived at today were made after a consultation with the representatives of the people from across our country. And the instructions that our team have are to limit their conversation on matters that are of great concern to the people of Kenya, re the IEBC, with regards to that bipartisan committee. With regards to the issue of a cost of living, as you have spoken about, we have reaffirmed as a PG that we believe that the policy this government has put in place are working. That is why 6 months ago, Kenyans were buying unga at 230 shillings. But today, if you walk into any supermarket, you'll be able to achieve or to buy it at 180 or 190 shillings. That is a price that has gone down. So we are willing to educate and teach our colleagues from the opposition on how the programs that this administration is running are working. What we are not willing to engage is the failed policies that were done under the handshake government, where as we speak today, the Auditor General has flagged that 34 billion Kenya shillings cannot be traced. If you meet the millers, they will tell you they haven't been paid. If you meet Kenyans, if you gather a group of 100 Kenyans, you'll be lucky to get maybe one or two who bought unga at 100 shillings. So Kenyans did not see the unga, the millers were not paid, but the money is not there to be accounted for. Surely, is that the kind of policy that you want us to pursue? So I believe we are on the right track, and with regards to the cost of living, this PG has affirmed the position of this administration that the policies that have been put in place are yielding results, and we shall continue to pursue them.